Well, welcome back to Chinaron. Today I'm going to show you real quickly how to make a Christmas decoration with just stuff that you may have lying around in your shop. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to start with a piece of 3/8 plywood or whatever you have lying around. And I'm using a 2-inch hole saw. So all we want to do now is just kind of clean up the edges. We don't want to get too carried away. Little hand sanding. So once you have it all sanded down the way you want it, you can go ahead, you can stain this or you can color the edge however you want. Don't worry about the sides because that's where your pictures are going to go. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to put a little stain on the outer side here. So it's all set to go, it's all dry, so all we need to do now is put a picture on either side. You can use a photograph or you can draw something, or if you've got nothing kicking around, you've probably got some old magazines kicking around, and I got one right here. It's got all kinds of Christmassy things in it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to cut out a picture here, and you don't have to get too accurate with it. All right. And all we're going to do is we're going to paste that, all right, right on there, just like that. Right, so we're going to take a little glue. This is probably a little more extreme than what you actually need. Elmer's glue or just a glue stick will be fine, but you know, whatever you have might lying around will work. All right, go ahead and just spread that all around evenly. Take your picture that you want, place that on, and just let that set up for just a little bit before we go any further. So now all we need to do is just cut it out. Just take your scissors and carefully just go around there like that. There it is. Well, it looks really good. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so once you get that all done, you've got both sides all glued on. Now we need to add the eye hook on the top. And all we need to do is you can either try to force the eye hook in by your hand, or what I like to do is just kind of drill a pilot hole. So find the top and just drill a nice little pilot hole in the center. And just take the eye hook and it'll screw in a lot easier for you. Just like that. Then you're going to need to get a small piece of chain, or you can use a fishing line or whatever you want. I'm going to use a little chain. Hook that on there like that. Squeeze it together. There it is, came out real well. Again, you can use a picture, a photograph, or you can draw something, whatever you want. I used a piece of plywood, you can use a piece of pine, whatever you got lying around. An eye hook that you might have kicking around, a piece of chain, or you can use some fishing twine, whatever you may have. So just go ahead and put it on our tree, and there it is. Just like that. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.